Today we're looking at part number 29-1. This is your Center Weld-On Equalizer hanger for your 2-inch wide slipper springs. Commonly found on anything from 5,000, 5,200 pounds, 6,000 pounds, 7,000 pound, and 8,000 pound axles. So this hanger right here is you weld it onto your trailer, and it's what holds the equalizer. So it's going to sit like that. You weld it on and then you put your equalizer on, and as you can see, there's a square hole in one side and a round in another. So when you put that on, you have your equalizer bolt right here, and you can see its square head right here. So that just kind of keeps it in place better right here. Locks it in, goes in like that. Then that square and round hole locks that bolt into place, and then it will pivot. The equalizer will pivot like this going down the road, and that's what we're looking at today, is that hanger for the equalizer. So let's just take a look at it real quick. We'll measure it out. So the width of this guy is going to be 3 inches. The length overall is 4.5, or they call it 3.5 inch tall because they're actually measuring from up to center hole right here. So it'd be 3.5 inches from the top of the hanger to the center hole, if you can see that. And then the width of this guy is going to be 3 3/4. It has the 2 holes right here, so you can weld right here as well. I guess I'll tell you how thick it is too. 0.37. Part number 29-1 or 291C, as it's stamped in here, if you can see that. Yeah, pretty important piece of the trailer right here. So if you need one, you can get them at trailerpartsunlimited.com, or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd be glad to help you out. There you go. Thanks for watching.